Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset iPhone 6. So this includes all the iPhone 6 series, the iPhone 6, iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus to factory settings. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do, where you want to reset iPhone 6 is go ahead and log out to your iCloud account so as to disable iCloud activation lock. So go to settings, click on your name, that's the iCloud account name. Hang on for the iCloud account page to load, scroll down, locate and click on sign out. Now, once you click on sign out, go ahead and type in your iCloud account password and click on turn off at the top right. Once you type in the password, click on turn off at the top right and then hang on. Next spot that says keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. If you want to keep any of this copy, just turn it on, otherwise turn it off and click on sign out at the top right. Then again, click on sign out. Now, after all this, you should see a message from Apple that Find My Device is turned off for your iPhone 6. Now, it is recommended to make sure that you sign out your iCloud account on your iPhone 6 before you go ahead and then reset it. And once you've copied your iCloud data or any data you want to copy on your iPhone, then your account will be signed out on the iPhone 6. Now, once your account is signed out on iPhone 6, you see sign into your iPhone. Now, this is time for you to reset your iPhone 6. You just need to scroll down. On the settings page, click on General. Scroll down the General page, locate, transfer or reset and click on that. Now, click on Erase all content and settings. And go on a spot that says Erase this iPhone. Go ahead and click on Continue. Type in your iPhone passcode. Then click on Erase iPhone. Then hang on again. Then you should see your iPhone 6 erasing. And once the process is completed, your iPhone will reboot itself automatically and you will be prompted to set up your iPhone 6 from the scratch. Now, once your iPhone 6 is reset to factory settings or default successfully, you can just press the home button, select your language, then select your region, then you should say setting language, and again, quick start, just click on set up manually, then writing language unspoken, continue, then choose your network, connect to the network. So this is you setting up your iPhone 6 after reset. Select next at the top right. Now wait until your iPhone is activated, and at this point you may be click on continue, set up later, then go ahead and type in your passcode. So set up passcode for your iPhone, repeat the passcode, then app and data, what do you want to copy, restore from iCloud, so don't transfer data. Now go ahead, set up your Apple ID account by typing your Apple ID account and then log in with your Apple ID. So that is all you need to do when you want to reset iPhone 6, iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.